Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Semi Whisk Beater is probably one of the most sought-after kitchen gadgets for baking enthusiasts and professional chefs, offering a perfect balance of power, precision, and ease of use. This video will dive deep into the features, functionalities, and benefits of this amazing tool, helping you decide if it's the right addition to your kitchen arsenal. Number 5. Zulay Kitchen Milk Boss Frother. It's the perfect tool for coffee lovers who want that professional touch at home. Create rich, creamy froth in seconds for lattes, cappuccinos, and more. Make delicious foamy drinks quickly and easily. It's so simple to use, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. With this handy tool, you can customize your drinks exactly to your liking. Enjoy cafe-quality beverages without leaving your kitchen. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply rinse it under hot water while running it briefly. It's that easy. Its compact design makes it easy to store, and it comes with batteries included. It's ready to use right out of the box. Upgrade your coffee routine today. Get yours now and start enjoying perfectly frothed drinks every time. What we like? It makes creamy froth in seconds, and is incredibly easy to clean. Just rinse it under hot water. Its compact size makes it perfect for small kitchens or for those who like to keep their countertops clutter-free. If you are looking for a quick and convenient way to froth your milk, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? It's compact, easy to use, and creates perfectly frothy milk in seconds. Whether I'm making lattes, cappuccinos, or even hot chocolate, this wand consistently delivers cafe-quality foam. Within just a few seconds pulses of the frother, you have beautifully frothed contents. It is simple to operate, with one hand, and just the simple push of a button. This handheld drink mixer is impressively powerful, turning milk into a fluffy, creamy froth in seconds. The speed and efficiency are truly remarkable, making it incredibly convenient for busy mornings when I need my coffee fix in a hurry. Number 4. PowerLix Milk Frother. This handy device creates creamy froth in seconds, perfect for coffee, lattes, and more. It's small, portable, and easy to use. No cords or outlets needed. Simply heat your milk, insert it, and turn it on. You'll have frothy perfection in under 20 seconds. It's made with durable, high-quality stainless steel and a powerful motor. The dual-spring whisk ensures long-lasting performance and creamy results. Its sleek design complements any kitchen. It's lightweight, easy to clean, and perfect for frothing hot or cold liquids, even milkshakes and cocktails. We're confident you'll love it. That's why it comes with a lifetime warranty and a free bonus ebook. Order yours today. What we like? This one boasts a powerful motor and durable stainless steel whisk. It's not just for coffee, use it for milkshakes, cocktails, and more. If you need a heavy-duty frother that can handle various tasks, this is for you. What people say? The button on this unit must be pressed to keep the motor active. This allows you to quickly stop stirring before anything spills over the top of your cup. I also found the stand fits perfectly on top of an espresso saucer, to catch the drips falling off the double whisk. The stand is a nice addition as our prior device had the shaft end up ever so slightly bent from laying it on its side using that same saucer to catch drips. In just 15 to 20 seconds, it whips up a perfect froth, whether I'm using regular milk, almond milk, or even oat milk. The stainless steel whisk is durable and easy to clean, and the ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to hold and operate. Number 3. Rotary Whisk Blender. This innovative kitchen tool is made from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability and lasting performance. It's designed for effortless mixing and blending. It's crafted from durable, food-grade stainless steel, making it resistant to rust and built to last. Enjoy years of reliable use in your kitchen. The securely riveted structure ensures stability and longevity, unlike welded connections that can weaken over time. It's designed for consistent, reliable performance. This semi-automatic whisk uses a spring mechanism, eliminating the need for batteries or electricity. Simply push down the handle for effortless mixing. It's perfect for whisking eggs, frothing milk, and mixing various ingredients like butter or cocktails. It saves you time and effort in the kitchen. We stand behind the quality of our product. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us for assistance. We offer a replacement or refund. What we like? It's completely battery-free, making it eco-friendly and always ready to use. The simple push-down mechanism makes frothing effortless. If you value simplicity and sustainability, this is the one for you. What people say. It works so great on eggs that I decided to use it with recipes that call for whisking mixtures other than eggs. I was sure that it wouldn't work with thicker mixtures, but I still have not found anything that it won't whisk up nicely. I use this every time I need something blended. It works exactly as advertised, which is rare. I was surprised at how well made and heavy-duty it is. And it mixes perfectly. It makes super quick work of mixing and so simple to use. It's actually fairly easy and it does a wonderful job of mixing eggs, or batter, or probably anything else. Number 2. Stainless steel egg whisk. This innovative whisk is made from durable, food-grade stainless steel. It's built to last and won't bend or break easily. It's semi-automatic, making mixing quick and easy. Say goodbye to tiring hand whisking. This mechanical whisk is designed for fast and efficient mixing, saving you valuable time and energy in the kitchen. Simply press down vertically to stir. It's designed to be comfortable and prevent hand fatigue. Cleaning is a breeze. Just wash it with soap and water, and rinse it off. It's perfect for a variety of uses, from coffee drinks and milkshakes to whipped cream, sauces, and even meat. The possibilities are endless. What we like? Made from durable stainless steel, it's built to last and requires no electricity. Cleaning is a breeze. If you are looking for a long-lasting, eco-friendly option, this is the perfect choice. What people say. These are awesome. Sure, we have blenders and mixers, but not these. I now use these almost every day and will buy more so I don't have to wash these 3 as often. These are a simple game changer for mixing eggs for omelets. What is even better is using these inside a glass to mix up protein drinks. A few seconds of use and all the powder is evenly mixed. Getting 3 sizes seemed like overkill, but single items weren't much less expensive, so it made sense to get the 3-pack from a value standpoint. The main difference between these and the old one is that the old one released at the end of the pushing stroke and this one instead spins back in the opposite direction on the return stroke rather than releasing. Being able to add to the momentum in the same direction actually works better for most items, like eggs. Whip up some eggs, mix up a cup of hot chocolate, mix up some pancake batter. And much more. These things work as advertised. Number 1. Rotating Eggbeater. This innovative Eggbeater makes cooking easier than ever. Its semi-automatic design means you can effortlessly whisk eggs, cream, and more. It uses a spring mechanism, so no batteries or electricity are needed. Just push and release, it's that simple. The comfortable grip and smooth rotation ensure quick and even mixing. Say goodbye to tired hands. Made from food-grade stainless steel, it's built to last. It's corrosion and rust resistant for long-term use. Cleaning is a breeze. It's dishwasher safe, or you can simply wash it with soapy water. It's also easy to store. It's perfect for more than just eggs. Use it to make whipped cream, salad dressings, sauces, and even cocktails. What we like? This whisk is designed for effortless mixing and is made from durable stainless steel. The semi-automatic design makes whipping a breeze. If you want a simple, yet effective tool for mixing various ingredients, this is for you. What people say. Makes perfect shakes, easy and quick to wash, time saver. The shakes are puffier if you pump vigorously for 15 to 20 seconds after the initial dissolution of the protein mix. Made a quart of ranch dressing in less than 5 minutes. This manual beater is awesome. Works great, easy clean, small item easy to store. Best way to use this is to get a glass that is wide enough for this to fit inside of, put the raw eggs in then the scrambler, and it works very well and quick work to scramble several eggs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.